I know who this is from. This box is huge. I'm just gonna open it right now. Black Moon Cosmetics, thank you in advance. I'm pretty sure I know what this is, but thank you. I love you. This box, dude, this box is so gorgeous. Look at this. The font and everything, it's just so stunning. Ooh, cute. Cute. Wait. We love you to the moon and back. That is, every time I see this, my heart. And a handwritten note. Dear Courtney, we are so excited to share our brand new mirrors with you. We love you. XOXO, the Black Moon Cosmetics team, thank you! These inserts are so slay. They're literally so slay. Shut up, look at this. This is a little duo that they have. It's black and pink, I'm pretty sure. It's Sleepwalker and then Nightmare. Love. Cannot wait to try that. Don't know what's in here, but I don't think I need to know. I'm already excited. Look at this, dude. That is so cute. But look at this. Oh, yeah. Yeah. In the moon's gentle light, I discover my beauty, a reflection of the luminous glow above. Period. Oh my god, I'm opening this right now. I actually have been wanting like a handheld mirror. I'm so excited. Listen, I love space. I love the moon. This is everything. That is stunning. It has enough weight that it feels nice, but it's not so heavy that your like wrist is gonna hurt while you're doing your makeup, because you might be holding up your mirror for a while looking at how beautiful you are. And that's fine. Wow. Wow, that is a nice mirror too. Dang. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Black Moon, this is adorable. Look at that. Ooh, hey. I needed this, so wow, thank you so much. Let me look at the compact. Already packaging is a yes, of course. Oh, this is gonna be so cute. I love the little sticker too, like the details, the vibes. Oh my god. Are you joking? Look at that. That is so wonderful. And the moon is on the other side with the little bats and the little sparkles. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh, dang. So we have the, what is it called? Magnetized is not the right word. We have the side that's more zoomed in. I can't think of the word for some reason. And then like the normal side, this is actually so cute. And again, so freaking clear. Wow. I need to shave my face. This is so freaking handy. And also, it's handy, but it looks cute. You know when you're out and you pull out a little compact and you do a little, maybe you like your little powder, a little touch up, little blot, whatever it is. And it's just kind of like whatever the compact is. Listen, I have some compacts that don't look so cute. I'm not gonna lie. This looks adorable. Pulling this out and being like, oh, that's cute. And also having like the like zoomed in side is great too, because like if you're like, you know, if you need that, it's there. It's not just two of the same ones. I like that a lot. Love this so much. Black Moon Cosmetics, these are so gorgeous. They're so adorable, but they're also really cool, which is my favorite kind of combos. Cute and dark, cute and like dark romantic, hot, but adorable and just precious, and you want to bite it because it's just the cute aggression. But it's cool. Love. Yeah. I love the moon. I actually need to try some of these out immediately. Let me know what you want to see. Again, Black Moon Cosmetics, thank you so much. If there's something like unrelated also that you want to see from me, let me know in the comments as well. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me for more makeup content, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye! Ooh, this is pretty. And the mirror's nice too. I'm sorry. I had to. I'm sorry. See ya!